Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal with Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Shelby Bailey and Mikki Nicole for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi, ladies. Hi. All right, today's contest is the first matchup of the victory round. The winner of each battle this month will advance to our grand finale in Raleigh on Saturday, October 30th. The challenge for today's battle is pink glitter, using glitter as part of the look plus the color pink. Now let's meet our guests, starting with Mikki Nicole. Hey, Mikki, how has business been since your last time on the show?
Oh, God, I've been so overwhelmed. Like, honestly, business has been great. I won't complain. I was just saying to myself, like, Lord, I'm not going to complain. I know you said you'll open the window, but can we just crack it a little bit, just, slide a few blessings through? I mean, but, thank God it's been really, really busy and really great.
That's good.
Yes.
That's good news. That's good news.
I'm not able to breathe, but,
You won't have more than you can handle. You know that. No.
Sometimes I wonder.
All right, Shelby, how have you been since your last time on the show?
Ooh, I would say about the same. Same boat. Working a lot. I actually just got back from doing a whole wedding party makeup on Saturday from Lake Lure. I left Sunday and then went to work last night. So it's been fun. I don't know. I'm just kind of trying to say yes. Like Mikki said, say yes to everything while I can while I'm still young enough to do it,
You guys are some busy ladies, but welcome back to the show.
Glad to be here.
All right, let's start the show with Shelby's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the pink glitter look that she created at the studio. When the video was finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Mikki will have a chance to critique it.
What's up, everybody? Here we are for round 3 in back at Picture Studios. About to head in. I want to thank everybody so much for, getting me this far. So I can't wait to show you guys what look I have in store for you today. Alright guys, we're in the studio today. My look is pink glitter, so we're gonna get started. I've already put moisturizer on. I'd usually start by doing face primer, but since we're doing a glitter look, I'm going to start with priming my eyes first. So, alright, so I have my eye primer on my hand. I'm just gonna go in with my packing brush and apply this all over. Alright, here we are, 15 minutes in. I've done the pink. I'm about to cut it out, do the brows, cover some places, the thing. Be back. Alright, here I am about an hour in. I've got my glitter on. I've drawn some of my liner and doing the brows, filling them in. Lashes will be the last part because they're a little heavy, but stay tuned, I'll be back. Alright guys, here we are with the finished product. My inspiration was a little Harajuku girl meets Spice Girls, because who didn't love the Spice Girls growing up in the 90s? Anyways, thank all of you guys for your support and voting for me. Don't forget to vote this time. MakeupBattleShow, guys.
All right, Shelby, what was your inspiration for this look?
I was feeling kind of like a Barbie, Harajuku girl. I don't know. Space bun, pigtail spoke to me. Glitter type vibe. It was probably the funnest challenge I've done so far, but the messiest because like I have glitter still like everywhere. So I'm sure.
I was gonna say me too.
Well, yeah.
Glitter for me.
And I'm in both studios probably, or you know.
All right. Mikki, are you ready to critique it?
I am. So I'm not huge on critiquing because I say all the time, like, we're artists, so, you know, we have our own style. But what I will say is it was so cute. She looked like she had a really good time. It looks fun. The pigtails were super cute. I really like that you accentuated your cheeks with glitter. Like, you really utilize glitter. Probably more than me. I wasn't sure, but was it glitter? Did you put glitter on your chest too?
It might have fallen off, to be honest, girl. I was having the hardest time with all that glitter everywhere with the lights. I couldn't see the pictures I was taking because it was shining into my eyes. That's what I was telling Chris. I'm like, this is the funnest look, but I can't see. I'm ready to go wipe this off. But glitter may have fallen onto my chest and just ended up there. It wasn't on purpose, but thank you. That's very
But
sweet.
I really, I feel like we kind of had the same thing in mind, but like I like that we had a different style. Like it was just fun. It was so much you could do with pink.
Yes.
And pink is fun. Like, pink is just fun. So I really did get the baby doll vibes. It just looked really fun. And I don't know. I think you probably had just as much fun in the studio as I did.
I was super excited that it was you and I that got chose for pink glitter. I was like, it fits our personalities great.
Oh my God. And you're just I know this is not about that, but your goth look was everything.
Oh, thank you. I love that. Thank you.
It was
Make a girl blush. You were awesome.
Yeah, I love the look at
Yeah, and your Mardi Gras killed it. The wig and everything, girl. I was loving it. I was like, this week is gonna be a tough one. I was like, but still, it's all fun. It's all fun and games. So for experience too. Like she said, we're artists, so this is what we do, man.
Has their own style.
I know,
But
it is.
I think it was cute. The necklace, just everything. I wish I could have seen the whole thing. Like, in my mind, I seen Brat doll. I seen
Right.
boots. Like, that's what I envision your look to be, like some really big, thick, maybe Doc Martens. It just looked
Right. I should have done the whole thing this time. I was like, I'll go half these.
But I loved it.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
The same here. It was a really cute and like a really like fun look. I loved it. And I loved my favorite part was the glitter on the cheeks, like Mikki said. It really kind of like defined your face even more, and it really brought out the look. So I enjoyed it. And I love pink and glitter. Who does it?
Right.
Right. It's so girly.
It really is.
Yes, it is. All right, now it's time for Mikki's journal. This is a behind the scenes view of the pink glitter look that she created at the studio.
Guess who's back? Hey guys, it's Mikki Lyles, aka Mikki Nicole, from Thomasville, North Carolina. I am back in the building today doing a new look for you all. Thank you to everybody who supported and voted for me to advance me into this round. This will be a pink glitter look. Not sure where glitter's gonna be, not sure what's gonna be pink, but y'all know what we're gonna do. And I won't look like this when I come back. So I am just cleaning up my eyebrows. Okay, so So right now I'm just using the Juvia's palette, the Berries palette. Just using a little bit of this pink. Not going too hard because they are highly pigmented, but I just want to kind of get a subtle pink going behind here, just the base. And that's the start of the eyes. So right now I'm just trying to blend out and fill out the contour real quick. I had to go ahead and add the lashes because man, this eye wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. So just trying to see. So guys, here is I told y'all I was coming a little different at the end. The switch up.
All right. Mikki, what was your inspiration for this look?
So it was kind of like all of a sudden, and just a quick insert. I've never done glitter. Like, I've never used glitter at all in my makeup. One, because glitter travels, glitter is everywhere. So it's like I've always just been kind of nervous to mess with glitter. But I've had my little pink wig for a minute, and I was excited when y'all said pink, because here lately everybody's like, pink is your color, pink is your color. You look so good in pink. And I'm like, okay, pink glitter. But that's it. Like, I have so much pink. I didn't even get to change clothes. You know, we was rushing, but I didn't even get to change into my top. But I came in pink. Like, the clothes I came in had pink in it, so it all worked together. I didn't really have I guess that inspiration, but I was just trying something, and I was feeling myself. Let me tell you that it was selfie. That was so sweet. Probably,
I could tell when you left.
Oh my God, I loved the look. But probably since I left the studio, I have glitter everywhere. Every day I'm waking up, I'm like, do I still have glitter? It's like I can't clean my bathroom enough to get the glitter out. But I loved it. That's probably, like Shelby said, was probably the most fun. Like, I enjoyed the Mardi Gras. That was fun. But this was, like, super, super fun. And now it's like so many people who seen me afterwards was like, oh, my God, I want that look. I want that look. So you brought me some money.
Hey, you can't complain about that.
Exactly.
All right.
I was everywhere. I was all in the grocery store looking like a little Barbie doll with glitter.
Right.
I was trying to go everywhere because when I got home, I knew it had to come off.
I saw you when you left. You looked like you were feeling yourself. You're like, you were in the mirror. I saw you. All right, Shelby. What'd you say?
I said that's my favorite wig too. It's like
Is
my
it?
fun hair.
It's beautiful for the color. I love the color. Like, it's such a a champagne-y type. I don't know. I love
Thank
that.
you.
All right, Shelby, are you ready to critique it?
Yeah. I'm in love. I have to say, I see why you were feeling yourself, girl. Like, you should have been. That was fire. If that was your first time with glitter, you did a really good job. I like how you did it on the inside. It made your eye open. I tried it like the night before, and when I did mine on the inside, maybe I have smaller eyes, but it made mine look a little closed. But I love the way you did it like that. And then that outer shade that matched your wig, or like, you know, the color of it, the same color. Oh my God, that was everything. With those lashes too. It was a vibe. I see why you went shopping. I would have went shopping too. The way people were looking at me when I was driving home was like, is she going to a rave? Are those even like allowed right now? So I like yours. Like, I would wear that out more daily, you know? Like, I love it. I loved it. Everything about it.
Thank you.
But yeah, that wig is fire. I like
It was a really cohesive look with the wig and the glitter and the lips. It all came together. I really like the glitter on your lips. That was probably like my favorite
I
part.
liked the lighter pink too, like how
Yes.
it was baby pink. It complemented your skin very well.
It did.
So
You
pink
guys
does
look great.
good on here.
You look
Right.
great, and you look like you had a lot of fun with this look.
I did.
All right, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's matchup. Next week, we'll have a matchup between Crystal and Shabrittany. So be sure to follow our official hashtag Makeup Battle Show for updates. Bye. Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin.